Hi friends, welcome back to channel Tech. In this video, I'm going to do the FPS drop test in the Realme GT device while playing the Battlegrounds mobile game at 90 FPS. Yes friends, with the recent update, you can actually play the Battlegrounds mobile game at 90 FPS without using any kind of tricks in this Realme GT. So which has got the Snapdragon 888 processor, and this phone right now is available for about 33,249 rupees. If you use the bank discount cards, you can get the discount as well. So make sure to check the video how to apply those discounts. And right now, let me first show you the settings what I'm trying to use at this minute. I'm trying to use the 90 FPS settings and exactly both compact and lobby. That's perfectly done. And I need to select the bootcamp drop test. For the first time, let's do the bootcamp drop test. How much the FPS will be dropping. That's what I'm going to exactly demonstrate. And the real-time FPS, we are getting exactly close to 90 FPS. That's maintaining consistently. So I did play the couple of gameplay matches in the Realme GT, and I did not have any kind of issues with the frame drops, nothing at all. But overall the temperatures also increased a little bit, but not much. So it went up to close to 40 degrees, but not more than 40, maybe close to 40 and 41, that's it, but not above that one. Because we do know the Snapdragon 888 processor is very much heat generating processor at this moment. If the coolings are not managed properly, then definitely the phone will struggle in terms of managing the heat. Let me know in the comment section below friends, in case if you want me to do any other reviews with other phones, then definitely I'll try to do the reviews as well with other devices, with other games if possible. So this time I'll try to choose only the Battlegrounds mobile game. Next time I'll try to play with the different gameplay settings. Let's see friends how much the FPS will be dropped during this time of demonstration. One quick note is that you cannot use the real-time FPS meter and do the drop test at same time. That's the one main disadvantage at this moment in the Realme GT. Because if I try to show you the real-time FPS how much I'm getting, I cannot see what is happening in the game. But only in this way you'll be able to see the real-time drop test how much it got dropped. It's dropping up to 85, 87 FPS. But I may not be able to drop exactly, but right now it's 83, it's maintaining. So overall the 83 is the lowest value which we did see during this time of testing at this moment. And overall the gameplay seems to be very fluid friends, very fluid. And in case if you're using the Realme GT, let me know in the comment section below. Are you facing any kind of issues while playing in the Realme GT device or not? But for me overall it looks really smooth, and the only thing is that there's no floating FPS meter to show you exactly what is the FPS it's maintaining exact right now. So I wish they could have added the floating FPS meter in the Realme phones as soon as possible to make the things really simple in the phones. And dual stereo speaker setup and having the 3.5mm jack is really very good advantage in the Realme GT. That's what I did like in the Realme GT device. And there's no haptic feedback support friends at this moment in the Realme GT. Unfortunately, we cannot use the haptic feedbacks at this moment. That's kind of slightly kind of drawback. Little bit. So this is a video I just posted about the lowest price for the Realme GT, how you can actually get it. So you can check those videos for more information. But right now let's do a couple of minutes of team deathmatch. As you can see, it's very smooth. Wow. As you can see friends, playing at 90 FPS it looks really smooth. So it's very smooth playing in the 90 FPS. I did like. So hopefully they should add some kind of real-time floating FPS meter maybe in the future. As you can see friends, overall it was very smooth playing in the Realme GT. With the 90 FPS, it's perfectly working fine without any issues. So let me know in the comment section below, and there is no 4D vibrations support at this moment in this phone. So thank you for watching this video friends, and see you in the next video and let's with more updates. This is a quick review, and definitely I'll try to do the battery draining test as soon as possible in this Realme GT. So stay tuned for those videos. I'll try to upload as soon as possible. At least for 1 hour gameplay, I'll try to do team deathmatch. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video and stay tuned. Meanwhile, signing off and bye.